We have an 85 Buick Lesabre, limited collector's edition. I'm going to do an old start, cold start. It was parked in October. Has a 307 Oldsmobile, 4-barrel Rochester. It's a little cold out. March 9th, about 36 degrees. Had to move a mountain of snow to get to it. Car has 53,589.9. We're gonna give her a start here.
Is it running?
Yeah. It didn't take very long to crank it all. Has a bad AC compressor, as you can see by all the green dye leaking. Rebuilt DM12SI alternator. We're in high idle right now at 55 pounds of oil pressure. Now we just kicked it down. Courtesy lights. Full tank of gas. It was stored properly. It has a full tank of 91 octane, ethanol free. So there's no ethanol in the tank, and I put in correct amount of stabilizer along with Marvel's Mystery Oil. Been in storage for quite a few long cold months. So power windows work. Ah, beautiful. Idling away. Checked all the fluids before I started. Fresh oil when she's parked.